Okay, how was this call on or getting becoming a brand, becoming a brand with organic marketing via Facebook? Can you tell me, Komotso?
First of all, I'm grateful for this mentoring, and I'm really inspired with what you have shown me today. I was a bit on a low level, but my spirit is high now, and I'll take the pulpit once I realize, okay, that's work that I need to do, not just to sit there, fold my arms. Actually, what you showed this Facebook tool, it doesn't look like a work at all. It's supposed to be something that I integrate, on my daily. It should be part of my life. So I'm really inspired, I shall be with this. And also the model that you've shown here, if you know when putting your story up there, you need to have interesting story that provides value, and a model of a hook story and a call to action. That is what I'm taking away this afternoon.
Daily life, right? And everything will happen naturally, right? Like your social media presence will happen naturally, like your life daily happens, right? When you wake up tomorrow, you're going to post whatever. So one post a day would be your goal. Okay, do not skip a single day for the next 30 days, okay, or the next 90 days. One post a day. So it would be like there's no work, right? And you will start getting followers. You will start getting friend requests, okay, naturally, okay. And soon you will become like let me show you one quick result from one of my students, okay? Like I have shown you the how to go about it, but this is one of my students who literally took my advice very seriously. And let me show the kind of comments she receives. This post was made on 24th of October.
Okay.
69 comments, 67 likes. See that, right? She was my student. 39 comments, you see, right? And she had been my student, she took my coaching, and she has learned stuff from me, so so basically it would take some time, right? But definitely you are going to obviously you're not spending any money for this, right? It's free, right? But soon it will become like a snowball effect, right? Okay, awesome. So thank you for giving me your feedback, Komotso. I appreciate you giving this feedback.
I'm honored and humbled.
Yeah. Okay. So just a quick message I want to give to my subscribers, because I would be posting this feedback on my YouTube as well, right? Just like the flow. So for whoever who's watching this video, if they wanna know more, they can just comment below this video on how to learn this stuff that Komotso has learned on this call. Okay, please comment this below this video saying more info. Okay, and I'm going to send you more info on what Komotso learned on this. Okay, now you see I have done a marketing in this live video.
Okay, yeah, I see. So this is basically how you generate traffic.
This is how I generate trust.
It's 5 o'clock.
Right? This is why people trust me so much, because I am for real and I help people for real. Can you tell me for how much time we've been on this call?
Yeah, I think it's more than an hour.
More 1 hour and 27 minutes,
1
right?
hour,
Nobody gives this
yes,
much
it's
time to
almost
anyone,
1 hour.
right? Right, and
Right,
every
I see.
minute has been of high value, right, on this call, right?
Mhm.
So
And
so
also you show the passion, you're passionate about this stuff.
yes, how passionate I'm about helping people, giving value, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
everything goes hand in hand, right? So this is marketing. Just being real is being marketing, you know. And in the
Just be
next
yourself.
video,
Yeah.
Komod, so now I need you to start doing this from today. And in the next call, when we go on the next call, I'm going to show you some further tactics, some more advanced Facebook tactics for organic marketing. Okay, but that would be happening at least 50, at least maybe 10 days from now. Okay,
Okay.
so you're going to book another call with me 10 days from now, but you have
Then
but you have to follow whatever I've told you in these 10 days, right? And then I'm going to tell you advanced Facebook organic marketing tactics. Okay,
all right.
okay, awesome.